What makes our model so unique here at Red Wolf Group is it's built on three things. Firstly, strategic advisory around talent optimization and how to drive this forward in your business. Second, we are big believers and ambassadors of the predictive index and help you use this in your business. And thirdly, it's knowledge transfer. So it's not about us doing this for you, it's about educating and sharing our knowledge with key members of staff in your organisation to drive it forward for you. So to do that, we do a 2-day workshop. And inside that workshop, it's a deep dive into talent optimization and really into the science behind workplace behaviors. We start to look at the predictive index and how the tool works. And that really helps managers understand a little bit more about not only themselves and their own profile, but when they start to see profiles of members of their own team and other people in the organization, they can start to identify, well, what's driving that behavior and how should I best interact with that person? We also give them insights into how to recruit because as managers and leaders in your business, finding top talent is a real key challenge. So what we do is we do a deep dive into the tool, into how to profile jobs, and then how to select candidates based on the information through the tool, along with other parts of your recruitment process. We also give them the knowledge of how to inspire the talent in their teams. And this is often quite a challenge for managers. It's not just about managing resource, but how do I bring the best out in each individual because they're all unique. And that's the challenge of being a manager. Every person in their team needs something different from them. And we give your managers the tools of how to read the profiles of the people in their teams and decode it and work out, well, how do I need to interact with this person? What do they need from me from a communication style? We recommend all members of your senior executive attend the 2-day workshop. And this is so that they've got the tools, knowledge, and insights into how to drive talent optimization now, but for the long term inside your organization. This is about enabling you. Therefore, as members of the senior executive, whether you're the CFO or the chief people officer, you need to be able to drive talent and high performing teams in your business. We also recommend you send managers inside your organization. At the end of the day, you need to be able to enable and empower the leaders in your business to design their teams. They need to be able to hire top talent, and they also need to inspire their team to greatness. And what better way to do that than through this course where not only they get the knowledge, but they're able to use the software to get that insights as well. And that's where we fuse those two things together to enable your managers to go back into your business and put it into action straight away.